Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 6th and the chart of the day for today is silver. Here is 60 minutes time frame and we got a breakout. It just recently took out the peak from last year October. Okay, and the breakout looks pretty impulsive and looks nesting to me. So here is the 1 hour time frame, basically calling for more upside in a impulsive a nesting structure. So we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will only end 3 in blue, with a 4 in blue, and then up again 5 in blue, only ending 3 in black, and so on. So it will be a series of high, 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 low in the next coming few weeks. And zooming out on the daily time frame, we could see, so it just broke out above the previous peak, very strong breakout. And all right, so let's see the last pullback we got here. So this one was the last significant high back in October. Now you can see clearly this one was a 3 waves down. So this is clear. It is a bullish market because the pullback was only a 3 waves, and it not only 3 waves, it rallies exactly from the 100% extension area. Perfect textbook reaction after a 3 waves correction higher, right? So now we're going to be looking for further upside, already confirmed by breaking above the previous peak. And the easiest way to figure out what's the next sort of potential target here, simply by using the Fibonacci extension from the lows here, measuring extension like so, and just assuming a conservative 100% extension target, that will be 37. And obviously it can go a lot higher if this is some sort of wave 3, and this is also nesting from here like we saw earlier. So it's going to be like a series of higher high, and most likely it's not going to just stop at 37, and it can continue to extend higher over here. All right, and so that's pretty simple. The minimum target 37, and it could go a lot higher. And shorter cycle, therefore, if there is any pullback, it should continue to find support in 3711. We continue to like the long side. All right, so that's what we got here for today. And if you do want to get more regular updates on silver, gold, or any other stock indices, Forex, feel free to check our service. Here is our website, elliottwave-analysis.com, and you can try our 14-day trial, only 99 cents, only for new members or someone that has not been with us before. And then if you want to check our plans after the 14-day trial, then you can click this plans and pricing to get the different suitable plans for you, from the silver, gold, platinum, diamond, depending on how many coverage you need. And then if you do want to only learn about Elliott Wave, you can always check our education courses, where we have several different classes and also one-on-one training to see if any of this is going to help you out. All right, so I'm going to provide to the direct links of all this in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.